Okay. Hey everybody, we're watching High on Life. Arena and Terry here. So we're gonna talk about how our first impression meeting people when they ask us what's our nationality. So
I'll be the non-Asian one.
all right, ready? Let's go.
Where are we going? Oh.
Hey Terry, what's up?
Hey, homie. So what are you?
I'm Laotian.
What ocean?
Laotian. It's not an ocean. I'm Laotian.
You like holding my hand though, don't you?
You like holding on me.
What are you talking about, Laotian? I don't get it.
I'm.
You're from an ocean. What ocean?
I'm not
Pacific
from an ocean. I'm Lao.
Indian Ocean? Is there an Indian Ocean? Are you Indian?
No.
Indian Ocean? What's loud?
Laotian.
You're loud? Ah! I'm loud too.
No, I'm not loud. I'm Lao.
Loud.
From the country Laos,
Where's that at?
next to Thailand and Vietnam and Cambodia.
In Cambodia.
Southeast Asian.
Oh, so you're an ocean. So can I call you Ocean?
No.
Why?
I'm
Hi,
not an
Ocean. What? You say you're like Ocean. Hi, Ocean.
I'm Lao.
Ocean. Hi, Ocean.
Laos.
Are you Asian?
Yeah.
You're Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah, Asian.
But I'm not an ocean.
Yeah, you're Asian.
I'm not an ocean.
Yeah, you're Laotian. You're Ocean.
I'm not an ocean. I'm Laotian, but I'm not an ocean.
What ocean are you from? Lay?
Yeah, I'm from an ocean called Lay.
Laotian, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
You're Asian.
Yeah.
Ching?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Cut.